Today I will show you how you can make like you have a photo album. This is the admin panel, and you want to change this picture album to like another album. Like this is in Latvian language, but flowers, butterflies, and texts. So you want to change this picture to go to another album. So I'll be making a script, and I will show you how you can do it. First, you must find where is this place, and you can search by just this name. So I'll show you how. I'm using Notepad+++++. Right, so it should be here, and just write album. Alright, sorry, not prepared. Okay, so upload the server, refresh. But I didn't get it here, I got it here, so just delete. Let's go down. Okay, so it's here. Alright. So let's write break, means new line, and album, and then we write select, but this select tag will be inside of a form, so keep in mind that you must have a form before. So method post action to the same page, and then this is the home page, and this is the URL, and we need to write a select input. So let's write select name equals album. Alright, so select goes like this. And then as far as they're changing the album, we need to also show all the albums. You can write it by default, but if you add a new album, it will not show up here. So we need to write a MySQL fetch array to get and show all the albums, which is a bit complicated in this case, but I believe this is why you search for this video. That's right. Okay, so here it goes. It's like album, like f album fetch album equals MySQL query select cat, it's album cat category. I name it in the database like as a cat. Then you write which field you need to get. I use multiple languages, and in this case there's a variable too, so it's to which languages I'm making. So in my case it's LV, it's Latvian. MySQL search from build cats, that means like picture categories. It's just a database name, so you use anything else you like. And you can write a star here, so it means select all information. If you have a small database you can do this, but I have like 60 columns in database, so I just select 2 of these so it goes faster. And order by 2, that's, so it means so it means you start by A and then till Z, and there is no limits in this tag because I want to show all the albums. While alb equals MySQL fetch. So in this case there will be a loop that will always repeat until it gets a new valuable. So in my case it will be like 4 albums, it will end until 4 albums. If I limit to this to like to 1 or 2, it will show only 2 results. So keep in mind, if you use a large database you should limit them. And then you need to write echo option value, because I'll be using letters. Alright, so let's run album 2 and then write alb cut. So it will show the name of the album, but once this is submitted it will echo and post only the category. Alright, so another thing is that I must show that in which album this category, this picture is shown. It will show by default the album which is already inside. So this is a different another different fetch you need to write. So let's do it. Alb. It's like this. Boom. MySQL fetch array. So you need to only get one result. Select to cat from build cats where cat equals. I'm not sure if cat, it must be ID, so I'll check this. Alright, so in link we have ID, so this means this is this picture. If I change it to like 3, another picture, so I must get ID, where ID equals get ID. So this get ID means get from the link at the top, so we need to echo it out. Equals, it's the same as that, a little bit down, and value is cat. Alright, so let's see, what do we have? Upload to the server. So it shows something else, and I will find why is it showing this. Alright, so the first error is that I need to show the album in which this picture is already in, and therefore I need to get album name from album categories, which is build cats in my case, where category is equal to the pictures category, and pictures category is, I got it from the top right here. So this is pictures, and here we show image, here we show image of this picture, and then there's this form, and then is there this album category. Alright, so next is the problem is that it shows only one result in here. So I must find out why is this. So in my case, how you check errors is very simple. First you copy the string, query string, paste it somewhere, and to see what does it echo out. So this is the previous. Now reload it. Select cat movie from build cats, and then we go to our database. Sorry. And then we go to build cats. And then we'll see. Categories. So here are these last albums. And just checking where is this field of cat category. Search for it. I don't see it. Okay. Then we can do also like this. It's also very important that you know how to find errors. So let's take this query, put it in database SQL, and just copy it in. And we'll get that very perfectly. Alright, I will show you that. Okay, so there were a few errors like should be option here. It should end with a slash here, and the rest stays the same, so I'm sorry for this. And I will continue on next video because I ran out of time how to update it in your database. So I'll show you how it looks now. And we have all, I didn't upload it yet. And we have all these categories here, which are the same as here, and this one should be taken out because already echoed. I will show you how you can do this. And you need to take out this like an error sign out here, and you can do it just by tapping the slash lines in front. And you write here, and cat is not equal to the category which the picture is already in. So let's do it like this, and you'll see. Alright, so basically it's this thing. Okay, thank you for watching.